Well then, we are back in the TT. Yeah, a lot of stuff is missing on it, as you guys can see. But I need to go get this oil. So first, for the oil, I went to AutoZone. I couldn't find it, and I was gonna literally use 0W20, but that's not the recommended oil for the Camry. Clearly says on the cowl hood thing of the car to use 016, which is a very unusual viscosity type of oil. But yeah, I don't know if it's because of Russia, like everything that's going on, but just can't find it. So gotta drive like 18 miles to this Walmart to go get some oil. So I'll see you guys over there. Alright, so I just finally made it to the Walmart in the middle of nowhere. So I gotta pick up the oil.
A few minutes later.
Yeah, so I ended up buying 2 of these. They're super hard to get for whatever reason. But now I have them, so that's good.
3 days later.
This is all the tools that I'm gonna need. So right here, I just got my Milwaukee 3/8 little set. I will need a ratchet. So this one's like the thinnest ratchet that I have. That's 3/8. I will also need a 10 mil, I believe, to take off some bolts that are holding down like the little trim. I'll show you guys in a minute. This tool is the special Toyota tool to take off the filter. Well, it's not from Toyota, but it's made for it. So 64.3 millimeter, and it fits the filter like a glove. Here's the part number for the oil filter. So if we just stick that in, look at that, like a glove. They made it look really nice too. I'll give them props on that, but too bad it's a tool, so it's gonna get destroyed. I don't got time to ratchet all the 10 millimeter bolts, so I'm gonna use this Milwaukee impact, but not really gonna do anything crazy. It's gonna make it everything snappy. Obviously got the oil that I drove 40 miles to go get, my jack stands, a little knee pad, and of course the oil jug, whatever, drain jug, and yeah, my jack. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys real quick where I'm gonna jack the car. So this is literally down the center. So if you see there's like a little kind of like a cutout. There's a nice piece of solid steel right down the center. Once you get the jack on there, you can begin jacking up the car. Alright, so now I have both jack stands on the jack area. On the reinforced area of the car. So it's pretty much on the pinch weld, but it's reinforced. So as you can see, I have this one here, and then I have the other one right across. I'm just gonna keep that jack under there too, just as an extra reinforcement. So this is a better view of where the jack is and what I'm gonna be taking out with the impact. So you see that there's like a little cutout here, like I said, and right here there's a bar that's reinforced. So that's where I'm jacking up the car from. And this cover right here is what I'm gonna take off right now. Okay, and that exposes the oil pan here. There's the oil filter there. So the oil drain plug bolt is a 14 mil. It's right here. Alright. Damn, they tighten it at the dealership very tight. It's not supposed to be that tight. You know, it would help if I had a rag ready, but I don't. There we go. Not too bad. It's almost done draining, so that's good. So if anyone's wondering how this fits, it literally just slides into this slot. There's enough room. They got the angle here, but that's just how it goes. And just loosen it, and that's pretty good. So now I can take it off with my hand, just a little bit, not terrible. And we're pretty much done at this point. I got the same part numbers there, they're just a little backwards. 90915-YZZN1. So this was my little setup to prime the oil filter. Literally doing this like finger tight. There. It doesn't need a lot of torque. Done. I'm on the lowest setting on my impact, so I don't strip anything or destroy anything. See, it stops by itself. More here. Okay, now the car is back down, so now I'm going to fill up with my engine oil, 016, clearly stated on the engine. The way that you reset the maintenance light on this car, if it'll load up, there we go. All right, so let's go back. All right, so we're gonna go all the way to settings, okay? And we're gonna go right, and hold here. So scheduled maintenance. Reset data, yes, and that's done. So now we're all set for the next 10,000 miles, I want to say. There you have it. So this is how to change the oil on your Camry. So if you guys have any questions or any comments, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a